Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So because of the winter we have some cold temperatures, and for this reason it's understandable that many people search for some ways how to make some heaters, how to start some fire and so on. And because if you want to heat up, first you need to make some fire. And starting some fire can be sometimes really difficult. And for this reason we have something like this. These are some fire starting cubes. And with these little fire starting cubes you will ignite the fire really easy. So these little cubes are commercially available, you can find almost everywhere and are also really cheap. But sometimes can also happen that you will run out of these fire starting cubes, which also happens to me several times. For this reason I will show you how to make some fire starting cube at home really easy. And to make some fire starting cubes, actually you need only two ingredients. One material which you actually need is some material which can soak some liquid. And this material can be really simple find in your toilet. Some toilet paper is really nice material which in basic can soak some liquid. And the another material which you need will be some vegetable oil, which you will find in your kitchen, or if you have some alcohol. In my case I have here some isopropanol alcohol, but some ethanol or methanol will also work, or in the end you can also use some whiskey. In this video I will make two types of fire starter. One fire starter will be made with this isopropanol alcohol, and another fire starter will be made by this vegetable oil. And first I will make the fire starter based on this alcohol. You will need some toilet paper, and on this toilet paper I will put some alcohol, so the paper will soak the alcohol. And now you need to compress this toilet paper that you will get some, how to say, some quite solid ball. But this type of fire starter, which is based on this alcohol, will not last really long because the alcohol will evaporate over the time. And for this reason it's good that you use some airtight bags, which I have here. So this type of fire starter, which is based on this alcohol, is good because this one will ignite really fast. And that's it. So really basic and really easy made fire starter. And now the second fire starter will be made also with this toilet paper again, but this time instead of isopropyl alcohol, I will use some vegetable oil. That's it. And this one you can also put in some airtight bag, or you put this fire starter into some wax. Here I have some melted wax, like so. The same I will do with this alcohol version of fire starter. And also what is really nice by these wax coated fire starters is that this one you can put into water and still you will be able to fire up this fire starter. And now I will test our 3 fire starters. Okay, for the start I will test this fire starter, which is made from toilet paper and isopropyl alcohol, and then in the end is also coated with wax. Okay, I'm really impressed by this one because this one burns really nice and also it's really easy to ignite. And this one burns more than 4 minutes right now. But anyway, I will try the next one. The next fire starter will be this one. This is only toilet paper soaked with this isopropyl alcohol, and then in the end this one is put into this airtight bag. Okay, also this one burns more than 4 minutes, and for the last I will test this one. This one is made from toilet paper and some vegetable oil, and everything is coated with the wax. But before I will burn this one, I will put this fire starter into this cup of water. And now I will try to burn it. Okay guys, I'm also really impressed by this fire starter, and this one already burns more than 6 minutes. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.